hydrant by the dump. There's a shut off for the hydrant. It shows like a foot out right there. You see it? Hey, get a flat shovel and get all this dirt. Just so we don't have a heavy cleanup at the end, because it's supposed to pour. Bronny?
No, Bryce. Bronny's not that good either, but
I heard Bryce is worse.
he is worse. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying. He's a bot.
Morning. We're just doing one. Just the address is. I don't got my phone on me, but I'll send you the agreement as well. Look like there's shit right through there. We're gonna call a rain day today, but we ended up not because I don't like wasting days, you know. If I find the liner, just find the name.